So today I'll be showing you how to manually approve tags on Instagram, or how to enable the option to manually approve tags on Instagram. So this basically lets people request to tag you in posts so that you don't get yourself automatically tagged in posts that you probably didn't want to get tagged in. So what you want to do is go to the profile page by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then on your profile page tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and select settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down to tags and mentions and tap on that, and then what you want to do is enable manually approve tags. So once you enable this and you confirm by tapping on turn on, it basically means when someone tries to tag you in a post or in a reel in future, that's going to come to you as a request, and you have to actually manually approve that request to be able to be tagged in that particular post. So if you come here to review tags, this is where you're going to see all the pending tags. Okay, here you can see everything you've already been tagged in, and then here you can see all the pending tags that need you to either approve or revoke. Okay, so that's basically how to enable manually approve tags on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.